Do you know how to prevent exposure to soldering fumes and gases? Introducing Smart Fume Extractor, the most efficient market solution with unique power and absorption capacity. What makes Smart Fume Extractor one of a kind? The smart operation kicks in automatically when the tool is lifted from the stand and goes into standby mode when the job is done. For better aspiration that saves energy and extends filter and equipment life. The aspiration unit has a powerful and efficient 3-stage filter for 99.95% certified efficiency. Smart Fume Extractor has one of the best noise-power ratios on the market. The Smart Fume Extractor system guarantees cleaner, more efficient, and healthier work with better air quality in soldering lines.